Hello dear students, how are you? We have chapter 7, lesson 7. Division facts through 5. Capacity, the amount of liquid in their container is its capacity. Choose the bottle that appear bigger than the other and fill it with water. Look at the two tools, the two cups. We fill it with full of water. And that time you can find the capacity. The amount of liquid in the container is its capacity. This is the juice, this is the Coca-Cola. They are 2 cups. This is the big, this is the small. This is the big, this is the small. This is the container or to get more liquids, but that one, because the glass or the size is small, get a less amount of liquid. That time we can say this is get more liquids. Circle the container with the greater capacity. Which one is greater capacity? That one. Why? Because the size is bigger and that one the size is smaller. If the size is greater, get more liquids because it's very wider than the other and get more liquids. What about the 2 ones? This is the bigger, this is smaller. If it's bigger, get more liquids, but if it's smaller, gets less liquids. That's why we can say the capacity is more with this one, the container. Look at the 2 tools. 2 tools. If we put things inside the water, these tools get less liquids because these things get spaces in these tools. Maybe the water or liquids in these cups is more than theirs because there are things inside it and get more spaces and less liquids. The amount of liquid in each container is its capacity. Start to pour water from the first you fill into the second bottle till no water remain in the first bottle. If water flows, then the capacity of the first bottle is greater. If the second bottle is not filled, then the capacity is smaller. Now, the first tool with full of water and the second is also full of water, but the first tool is greater capacity. Why? Because it is the size is greater. That's why get more liquids, and the smaller one get less liquids than the greater. Look at these bottles. This one is greater capacity than this one because the size is greater and full of water. Also, this is full of water, but the size is smaller. That's why get less liquids than these bigger bottles. That time we can say this is the smaller capacity, this is the bigger capacity. I hope you learn how to find the capacity. If you fill 2 dishes full of, for example, rice, the first dish is bigger, the second dish is smaller. You fill the second dish full of rice and the second one full of also. That time you can say the first dish is greater capacity because the size is greater and get more rice, and the other one is smaller, get less rice than the bigger one. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.